In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right place, pick a ready-made template, and fill in the key details so your invoice looks professional and calculates totals for you. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. If you aren't already, sign in to your Google account so your work saves automatically. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps launcher. From that menu, choose Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home screen, where you can create new spreadsheets or use templates. At the top of the Sheets homepage, click Template Gallery to expand it. You'll see different categories of templates. In the Work section, select Invoice. Google will open a new spreadsheet based on the Invoice template, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. At the top of the template, replace the placeholder company name and address with your own business details. Click directly into those cells and type over the sample text. Keep the existing layout and labels intact. You're just swapping the example text for your information. If you see optional fields you don't use, it's fine to leave them as is or clear the sample content, but avoid deleting labeled cells that may tie into the layout. Now move down to the Items table. In the description column, type the name of each product or service. Use clear, concise wording so your client understands what they're being billed for. Next, enter the price in the appropriate price or rate column. Many invoice templates include columns such as quantity, rate, and amount. If you see them, fill in the ones that apply. The template will automatically calculate line totals and update the subtotal and total at the bottom as you go. If your numbers don't appear as currency, select those cells and apply currency formatting from the toolbar, so everything is consistent and easy to read. As you add items, keep an eye on the subtotal and total sections to confirm that the formulas are working and the math updates in real time. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back without disrupting the template structure. Before you finish, read through your company details and each line item for accuracy, spelling, and correct pricing. A quick review helps prevent confusion later and ensures your invoice looks polished. And that's it. You've created a clean, functional invoice in Google Sheets using the built-in template, filled in your company details, and added your items and prices with automatic totals.